Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And we're just kind of, oh, there's a cat. Checking out the park a little bit in Yeonhon. It's like a two-story and that'll be concluding for Graciosa Street. Let me just see how we can navigate this. Okay, here's a street in Macau that I don't recall filming before. Graciosa Street. Huh. We're not too far from the border. Let me give you a little bit of context of where we are exactly. I think this is called 1st of May Street. Kind of got some interesting architecture. We're not too far from an area called the Six Pack. I'll try to explain that one as well. And but basically the main thing that we're not too far away from is the border itself. And there's McDonald's down there too. Well, anyways, we're gonna film Graciosa Street in Macau 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So I don't know how long this street's gonna be. It looks kind of short. It might just be to the McDonald's and that's about it. We will find out. We do have these big tall buildings everywhere. And we kind of have this well, we'll see. Just kind of give you a little bit of a feeling of what it looks like before we go down our road. There's a big B&U, big bank as well. So let's go across the street and we'll go to the other side. That's basically the view of Graciosa. And we're just kind of, oh, there's a cat. Got some eggs there. So I think this street is going to be kind of small, but we're going to find out very, very shortly. Got these giant pillars, and I think it kind of comes up to this school. We're going to find out. We're in Yeonhon, so I can see a park straight in the distance. So we'll see where the street ends. If it does end, then we might be checking out the park a little bit in Yeonhon. It's like a two-story it's funny they would have it up here. So there's McDonald's on the corner, and I think that this is going to be the end of the street. But we're gonna find out in a moment. There's Yeonhon over there. It's Graciosa. So that's a small park. Nice balconies right there. So this street could be really, really small. There's only one way to find out, and that's to continue down what could be our same street. Just kind of walk this way a little bit. Look at all those spaces for the billboards. No billboards up there today though. So we're gonna keep on walking down, and then we'll see if Graciosa continues. It's a little flower shop called Flower Language. So let me see, this street is called Alegre Street, which is like happiness. Graciosa is like, oh, now he turns into this other street, Yeonhon, the market of Yeonhon. And then right over there is this Ion Hon Park. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're going to conclude it by going over there. That was our street right there, this little Graciosa. And now we're over by this park. So this one's called the Garden of the Mercado of Ion Hon. And we'll just walk in a little bit. Looks like they got something all set up here. And there's a school directly over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna see what this is. Macau Arts, 34th of Macau Arts. There's a stage. And it looks like they're just kind of getting it all set up today. Performing arts. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're just going to move back towards our street. I would just follow this path this way, and I think we can come right back out of here again in a moment. And then that'll be concluding for Graciosa Street. Let me just see how we can navigate this. So that's our street over there where the McDonald's is at. So we're gonna walk back over there. And you got a little taste of Ion Hon. And then Graciosa is gonna be back over here. So you got a little taste of our target street here. Let's just kind of walk across. Kind of cool. I like this little eatery on the corner. It's like a nice little space. There's people down there playing some games down that way. This is our target street right in here. So let's just go walk down, see what they're doing here. They're all looking at, I guess, machinery. So we'll see what that's about. And so yeah, this is our little Graciosa street. A little taste of Macau, something a little bit different. I guess they're doing, get some tires in here. Sometimes you change the side of the street. It's all completely different. Okay, so that's a taste of Graciosa Street in this Ion Hon area of Macau. Got some motorbikes too. Sweet. Little Hondas. Kind of look cool. Cycles everywhere. Okay. And so that's going to be Graciosa. There's one of those bikes right there. So Rua Graciosa, Graciosa Street. We'll end it right on the sign. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz